everyone, this is Nosheen from Short English Lessons with Nosheen. Again, this is the time to brush up your commands on idioms in English language. Well, while learning English as a second language or any other language as your second language, the part of the language that is more constituting or problem presenting is to understand the meaning of idioms of that language. Therefore, I have brought some very beautiful, common and easy idioms to use in different situations in your daily life. There are 10 idioms in this video. As the quantity is small, that will definitely make practice these idioms easy for you. And a good tip to practice these idioms is to associate something, someone, or some situation in your daily life with these idioms and practice them. That's really gonna help you to remember them forever. Let's get started. Pull out all the stops. Pull out all the stops means to do every possible things to achieve something. For instance, the company pulled out all the stops to improve business, including cutting the price 50%. So next time, if you see a brand offering you 70% or 50% off, it means they are pulling out all the stops to make their business run. Go by the book. Go by the book means to follow the rules exactly and strictly. For instance, if you go to another country, you have to go by the book in order to avoid any complication. Down the road. Down the road means in the future or in your lifetime. For instance, I'm trying to collect some statistical data that could be useful for me down the road. Head in the cloud. Head in the cloud is used for a person who always lives in a fantasy and always absent-minded. For example, Janet always gets her head in the cloud and she's absolutely unaware what's happening around her. No pain, no gain. No pain, no gain means if you don't work hard, you will never achieve your goal. For example, in order to pass your exam, you have to sacrifice your leisure time and you have to step out of your comfort zone because no pain, no gain. Heart in your mouth. Heart in your mouth means feeling very nervous or excited. For instance, he waited for his exam results with his heart in his mouth. 40 winks. 40 winks means a short sleep or a nap. For example, I had a long day, but I'm feeling much better after having 40 winks. Hot potato. Hot potato means a difficult situation. For instance, COVID-19 is still a hot potato in many countries. The next one is a rough diamond. A rough diamond means someone who seems impolite or not well educated, but actually has many other good qualities or talent. A smart cookie. A smart cookie means a clever person who makes good decision. So, for instance, she is a smart cookie. She always helped me to make decisions. That's all for today. I hope these idioms gonna help you in different situations in your daily life. So keep practicing. See you again. Bye-bye.